best sales strategy for 2022 that is timeless. And if you put the effort in right now, you can save up to 5 hours a week in your business with this simple system I'm going to talk about right now. Now, first of all, let's talk about what it means, what a pipeline and a lead management system really means. It's an important key term we're going to talk about of how you can save at least 5 hours a week with your prospecting and your sales. Getting that time back in your business is going to be so empowering and super fun. And if you're a solopreneur right now, considering making your first hire of someone to help you with sales, this is going to be vital in the success of that person that you bring on. And these are the types of things that you'll want to be doing in your business when you consider making the shift. Now, let me know in the comments below if you're currently managing your leads. And if you are, do you feel super confident with the way that you are doing it? And good for you is the exciting piece of today is I'm going to break down the top 3 most important things you do in your lead management system, but I actually have a free pipeline training, and we're gonna make sure that the link is in the comments section below so that if you wanna take your lead management to the next level and save 5 or more hours per week, you can start doing that today. All right, let's go ahead and jump into lead management. So number 1, you have to find the leads. And you would be surprised, you probably have a lot more than you know. I have found that literally every single business that I have worked in, from the solopreneur to the 7-figure CEO and course creator, there is always a sales leak in the business. Now, a sales leak means you have an opportunity to monetize, which means to make more sales to your existing leads, but you aren't able to do it for various types of reasons. And that's what we call leaks. And if you're interested in learning more about leaks and the solutions that I have for it, please check out my closer bundle, and that is in the comments section below. So let's go ahead and jump in. So the first thing here is that you need to find your hot leads. That is the first part of it. So that means that you need a systemized approach that you do either weekly or a couple of times a week, where you're analyzing your current community, followers, audience, and adding them into your lead management system. Now, if you're not sure where these hot leads are hanging out, the good thing is that it is included in the closer bundle that is in the comment section below. My hot lead generator is one of my clients' favorite tools. It's definitely one of those things that you print out, keep next to remind you that you constantly have opportunities to grow your business and make the impact that you would like. 2 is you need to stay organized. Now, I love a good CRM. I love a good CRM. And a CRM is just simply a tool that you use to stay organized. Now, in my pipeline management class that is free, the master class that's linked here, I actually give you a free Google workbook that you can use. So if you're not quite ready for the technology for a CRM, no big deal. But if you are an ActiveCampaign user or want to be an ActiveCampaign user, what's really cool about ActiveCampaign is they have an integrated CRM so that you can keep everything in one place to once again really maximize the amount of hours that you can save per week in your business. I'll also include the link to ActiveCampaign in the comment section below. It's one of my favorite tools I use in my business. It's super, super easy to use. It has all the advanced automations for email, and it also just allows you to integrate your sales process in really, really seamlessly. Okay, then number 3 is you need to be systemizing follow-up. So what does this look like? This means that if you have a sales conversation with someone, or they have an inquiry, consultation, whatever that interaction was, how are you following up strategically, okay? This is really, really important, because sending emails saying, just checking in, or hey, just wanted to see, those types of emails, responses, follow-ups, even if they're in the DM or messenger, they are not going to work. You will get ghosted. So it is it's very, very important that what you do is to go back and be systematic about your follow-up. So let's talk about what a systematic follow-up would actually look like. So one of my favorite things that I'm going to talk about right now is a date anchor. So a date anchor is basically if your prospect, if your lead has said that I need to get something done by X amount of date and they need your help to do it, that is a date anchor. So when you follow up, you can be very powerful in saying, hey Amy, I know that you wanted to launch your new sales page by the end of the month. In order to get that done, I'll need the questionnaire filled out by tomorrow so that we can have our VIP day next week. Are you still in? That is a way more powerful type of follow-up than, hey, just checking in. And I've also included in my closer bundle, which is in the comments section below, my exact fortune follow-up formula, step-by-step using buyer and sales psychology so that you can be extremely systematic with exactly how you do that. So you can save over 5 hours per week. Now, not only will you be saving time, but think about all of the opportunities here that you may be missing to monetize existing leads. And existing leads can be on your email, they could be following you on social, they could be subscribers to your YouTube channel, they could be opening your emails. There is so many different places that you can look for them that is in the hot lead generator, once again, included in the closer bundle. And so let's recap here. An effective lead management system is really one of the top timeless strategies that anyone in 2022 can put in. And the reason why I like this and why I'm obsessed with timeless sales strategies is that this is not a trend, friends. There are so many marketing trends, so many sales trends, so many strategies that literally last for 6 months or a year at the best. So when you go and learn those, that's amazing. You're really increasing your knowledge. You're likely making money, which is amazing, but they will expire. They will get outdated. But a system like this means that you could bring any strategy you want in and you're ready to roll. So arguably, this is the most important thing that you can be doing in your business right now, and it doesn't need to be hard. So let me know in the comment section below if you are excited to either check out my closer bundle or go over to my free pipeline management masterclass that will help you really get set up for success. And if you like this content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, perhaps even share with a friend. I'll see you next time, and happy selling, friends.